So if you've ever been having a conversation with someone and some variant of the phrase, "not everything is cut black and white" was said. This is generally said when a conversation is revolving around some moral topic, and it is used to imply moral ambiguity of an action. In a sort of "who are you to judge" type of way generally. If so, you probably shouldn't have tolerated that phrase or argument, and definitely should not have made that argument. The reason for this is that if you're having a conversation that deals with morality or right and wrong, whether some action ought or be able or not be able to be done, you're already presupposing that there's a correct answer, because it's logically impossible for something to both be the case and not be the case at the same time, in the same sense. So something must either be black or white, an ought or an ought not. Just because it's hard to determine the black from the white in certain circumstances doesn't mean that the situation isn't black and white. The situation may appear gray, but gray is just black and white very finely mixed together. With the proper tools, you can distinguish the black from the white. The first thing that you'll need to do is define your terms. Good and bad must be defined in order to make a distinction. But where should the definition come from? Well, it's going to have to be derived from our knowledge of reality. Because if our definitions aren't based in reality, they will not be applicable to situations found within reality. You must derive your oughts from what is, otherwise your oughts will not be applicable to what is. Claiming that things actually are morally ambiguous based solely on your perspective and ability to determine the correct answer is just lazy. Now, a person might again claim that nothing is black and white because they don't believe that an ought and an ought not can be derived from reality. To those people, you just need to ask the question, ought you be able to say anything about this topic? The law of the excluded middle says that it either has to be an ought or an ought not. It's their answer. So, if they say that they ought not be able to say anything about it, well then they've defeated themselves. They should just shut up. If they ought to be able to say something about it, then they've concluded an ought does exist. They ought to be able to talk. In which case, congratulations, they agree with you. They have derived an ought from reality. Good job.